So the Serum 2 has a lot of ways you can route a lot of stuff. In this video, we're just going to go straight into how to route an LFO and also have it be controlled by a modulation wheel to add vibrato to your sounds on Serum 2. All right, so we have an initialized patch up, basic sawtooth. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign the LFO. You can do it to the oscillator or the octave, semi, but we just want the fine. So when I add it to there, let's hear what happens. We get a little bit of vibrato in there. And then what we could do, we can go to the matrix and this will display that routing we just did. Right? But then again, maybe I don't want it going off. So, you know, with a lot of MIDI controllers, we do have modulation wheels. So what I'm going to do is assign a modulation to the aux source. And this is kind of like a gate or a secondary control. So now if I have the modulation wheel all the way down, so now the modulation wheel is controlling how much this LFO is affecting the fine tuning of that. And if you want to change how the sound is being treated by the LFO, you could actually go into the oscillator path here and like select like a sine. I would prefer a sine. Put the modulation wheel back up. Maybe speed it up a little bit, get it off of the hertz. And that hertz affects how fast the LFO affects the pitch. And I control that with the modulation wheel. And maybe I don't want it to be so intense. So I can go ahead and just dial that back just a little bit so it's not so intense. So now you're able to add a little bit of flavor there with the modulation wheel. So this is sort of a basic, a quick way to add some modulation wheel control to your preset. I'm sure there are a ton of ways, but this is one way to do it, and it'll help you create sounds on that. And that is what I have to say for today. I'll see you on the next video. We out.
You've been watching Dilio, producer, creator, and artist. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. His latest EP, Hard NB, is streaming everywhere. Get exclusive loops and presets at DilioT2K.com. Support the channel by using his Sounds link in the description.